Hey guys, it's Charlene. Welcome back. So I'm doing a fall collab with my friend Ann Clay. She's on YouTube as Ann Clay. She has the most beautiful renovation going on in New England. Her farmhouse and barn is about 200 years old. She's a yogi like me. We connected and we talk frequently on YouTube. I love hanging out on her channel because she's hysterical. She does all the work with her husband. She keeps her pieces true to form as much as possible. So you will see a lot of vintage and antique wear in her home. She has a very beautiful, comforting, eclectic, authentic vintage farmhouse style, which I absolutely love. I think you will love her too. Check her out. For our collab, we are doing the fireplace mantle and a room. So I'm going to show you half of the room this week and next week the other half. Stay tuned. The thing I used for this little makeover came from Home Goods, Michael's, and the lantern came from Walmart, which I didn't want to order from Walmart because they really made me upset. But the lantern was cute, so I got it. I kept it very simple and neutral in this living room area. And I can't wait to show you the other side next week. Stay tuned. Thank y'all for joining us in our fall mantle challenge room makeover. and come back next time.
Got your back. So please don't tell me that I broke us, 'cause I could never live with that. Oh, I never meant to hurt you, but I hurt you, so sorry for that. Now you need space, I get it, like you said, it's alright. So I'm counting all the days till you come around to show me what you found. Since breaking from this misery, I wish that you could see me now that you're gone. 'Cause you need to be alone, away from our chemistry. I just hope you'll end up knowing that I'm meant to last. I'm counting all the days till you come around. Or will you come around? Or will you come around? Oh, I never meant to hurt you. Or will you come around? Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours. Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind. 'Cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall, trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did, and drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed out all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other. We always had each other. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. Living on the edge, we were living on the edge. We didn't care about the rest, care about the rest. I thought that it would last forever, 'cause with you everything was better. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall.